Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked quite frequently: can I delete my Paysend account? I know. It might seem like a simple question with a straightforward answer, but there's a little more to it than meets the eye. So, let's get into it. Understanding Paysend. Before we delve into the deletion process, let's quickly recap what Paysend is. For those who are new to the platform, Paysend is a global money transfer service that allows you to send money quickly and securely to various countries. It's a popular choice for many people due to its low fees and fast transfer times. Reasons to delete your account. Now, why would you want to delete your Paysend account? Well, there could be a few reasons. Privacy concerns. Maybe you're concerned about your personal information and want to reduce your digital footprint. No longer using the service, perhaps you found a different money transfer service that better suits your needs. Technical issues, or maybe you've encountered problems with the Paysend platform. Whatever your reason, let's explore the steps involved in deleting your account. How to delete your Paysend account. The process of deleting your Paysend account is relatively straightforward, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Log into your account. The first step is to log into your Paysend account using your username and password. Check for outstanding transactions. Before you delete your account, it's important to ensure that you have no outstanding transactions. If you have any pending transfers or refunds, it's best to wait until they are completed before proceeding. Contact customer support. Once you've verified that your account is clear, you'll need to contact Paysend's customer support. They can guide you through the process of deleting your account and address any questions you may have. Important considerations. While deleting your Paysend account might seem like a simple solution, there are a few things to consider. Data retention. Paysend may retain certain data about your account for a period of time, even after you've deleted it. This is often done for compliance purposes or to prevent fraud. Alternative services. If you're deleting your Paysend account because you're not satisfied with the service, it's a good idea to research alternative options before making a decision. Account recovery. Once you've deleted your account, it may be difficult or impossible to recover it. So, make sure you're absolutely certain that you want to take this step. So, can you delete your Paysend account? Yes, you can. However, it's important to approach this decision carefully and consider the potential consequences. If you're still unsure about whether or not to delete your account, I recommend reaching out to Paysend's customer support for more information. They can provide you with personalized guidance and help you make the best decision for your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.